Hello dear students, today our topic is sets. As discussed early in one lecture that what is set, what are its representations, different rules that govern sets, and after that we will be going now to the first exercise. To do this exercise, it's very simple based on the definition. Here we will check which one is set and which one is not a set. Before going to these questions, I would like to tell you that those situations where there is the adjective of any article, anything defined, that cannot be written in a set notation. So, rest all the entities can be enlisted in a set. So, for example, in the first part here, we have the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So it's clearly a set because we can write these entities as I have written it in the solution. You can see here it's like this. The collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J is well-defined collection of objects because one can definitely identify a month that belongs to this collection. Hence, this collection is a set. So the next part of this question, it's part number second. It's like this. The collection of uh, most talented writers of India. Here is the talent that comes into account. So this is adjective and it cannot be written in the set notation. So on the same lines, you can perform other exercises. Let's now move to the second question. The second question is, we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to insert the appropriate symbol. The first symbol that's here, it is called belongs to, and this means does not belong to. That means whenever an element belongs to a set, we will write on this notation, whereas if the element is not an element of the given set, we will write does not belongs to. For example, 1 belongs to this, so we will write 1 belongs to this. And 7 does not belong to this, we will write 7 does not belong to this. Here is 5, yes, 5 belongs to this, so we will write 5 belongs to this. 8 does not belong to this, and all other, these are same. Here are solutions, I have written these. Question number third is, write the following sets in the roster form. I have earlier discussed that roster form of the sets is that notation of the sets, that form of the sets where we enlist the actual elements. For example, we have x is equal such that x is an integer and that lies between -3 to 7. So integers lying between -3 to 7, we will go from -3, that means it's -2, it's -1, it's 0, it's 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So the elements are like this. So we can enlist these all elements in the set notation, the roster form like this. The given form was in the set builder form. Similarly, we have other examples, other parts of this question. So next is question number third. In question number third, we are asked to write the elements Yes, exactly. In this question, we are asked to write the following sets in the roster form. So this was question number 3. Next is question number 4. We have to write these sets in the set builder form. First, it is 3, 6, 9, and 12. How can we write this? These are actually the multiples of 3. So it is x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to natural numbers, and n lies between 1 to 4, and 1 and 4 included. On the same lines, you can see the property in these, and you can write that common property that is shared by the elements. In the question number 5, we have to list all the elements of the sets. We have to write the elements that are in these sets. For example, a is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. So odd natural number is 1, 3, 5, 7 dash and dash. So these are 1, 3, 5, 7. It's an infinite set. Similarly, we have next question, and that is x such that x is an integer that lies between -1 by 2 to 9 by 2. -1 by 2, it means it's minus 0.5, and 9 by 2, it means it is 0. It's 4.5. So we have to go from minus 0.5 to 4.5. The integers from minus 0.5 to 4.5 are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have written the answer here. You can see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the same lines, you can solve the other parts, and I have written the solutions. Next is question number 6. In the question number 6, we have to match these. So it's very easy. Note that one thing is very important to we do not repeat the elements in this set. For example, we have x such that x is a letter in the mathematics. So M-A-T-H-E. Now M will not be next element because there is a repetition. So in this way, we have completed the first exercise of sets. Hope you will understand. If you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you for joining this meeting.